We're now going to look at the dental emergency kit. Now, what this is a bag with everything you need in the dental practice, from the AED to oxygen, and all the other bits and pieces that are recommended and compulsory within the dental practice to have. The bag itself is an open house bag, so it's a good quality bag. It's designed to be strong, it's designed to have everything in one place. Because if you have an emergency in the practice, you want to be able to grab one bag and get it. You don't really want to have the AED in one place, the oxygen somewhere else, and the other resuscitation bits and pieces in a box somewhere, and also your emergency medications in another place. So this kit is designed to be all in one place and all there. So on the front, you've got the defibrillator itself. It'll fit any brand here. We've got the heart sign one in here at the minute, but it'll fit any brand. AED prep kit down this side. On the top is where you put your emergency medications. So all the required medications in the practice will all fit in that bag. And this bag is designed to be removed out and goes back in there. And it's secured down with a strap at the top, so it's not going to come out accidentally. So emergency beds on the outside. The other reason for having the bag on the outside is to comply with regulations. You want to keep that secure at other times. You can literally take that out, put it into secure locked containers, and then you can remove that when you need to, pop it back in here so it's visible and available, and just secure it in place. Taking the kit open, standard kit opens right up. So you can open the whole bag up, and once it's open, everything is easy to access. So we've got the oxygen cylinder here. There's a small window on the side here so we can see exactly how much oxygen is in the cylinder. Everything's labelled, so we've got the emergency oxygens labelled here, so it's really obvious. Suction in this section here. We've got a BVM adult, we've got other oxygen masks, and also the required masks that go on the BVMs for different sizes of mouths, going right down to small sizes up to large. This side, we've got more of the masks in different sizes, a child BVM, and at the top, you've got your OP Airways in a bag separately there. So this kit contains everything you're going to need to comply in the dental practice. Now we sell this kit either as an empty bag, so you can put all your bits and pieces in, or we sell the kits themselves with the bits and pieces you need individually without the bag or with the bag. The only thing we don't directly sell is the oxygen, because we can't sell that ourselves directly, but we can put you in touch. We're getting hold of oxygen at very low rates, and this sort of cylinder works really well, and the company we use gives you free replacement cylinders should you have to use one of the cylinders as well. So it makes it long-term a much cheaper package. If you were interested in that, just email us on supplies@protrainings.uk and we can give you more information on oxygen. But this kit is everything you need, and it makes sure that you can comply with all the requirements of CQC and the other associations that you need to be working with, and you know, it keeps it in one place, which is much better. For more information on any of these kits, just email us at supplies@protrainings.uk, or we've got this kit on our website at firstaidonline.co.uk.